adventure on the Carnival Radiance. Today we are trying Blue Iguana. We have two burritos, which we cut in half. We have steak on here, chicken, and I think that's rice and guacamole. Now let's get to the try. I got it. 3, 2, 1. This is also my first time trying it, and it's a lot better than I thought. I think it's a lot better because it's a mix of a lot of things. So if you go on the Carnival Radiance, I highly recommend you try Blue Iguana.